Hi guys, in this video we will see how to recover unsaved Word documents in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you have unsaved Word files, Word documents, then you can easily recover it. Here are the process. Open Word documents, any Word documents. Here from the top left corner, click on File and choose Info. Click on Info. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option Manage Documents. Click on a small arrow and choose Recover Unsaved Documents. Here you can see this will open App Data, Roaming, Microsoft Word, and you will find here unsaved files, Word files here. Simply select it which you want to recover. 2 files found, unsaved files, select it and click on Open. Your files, unsaved files will here recover unsaved file. This is a recovered file that is temporarily stored on your computer. Click on Save As, choose a location and assign a file name and click on Save. You have successfully recovered your unsaved files, unsaved Word files on your system. You can see this is your unsaved Word file now successfully saved.